Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up. Okay, guys, this is a day that is mind-blowing to me. I got a lot of deliveries, and majority of them were BOXYCHARM boxes. So I'm going to do my best to film all of them, but I think I'm going to pace them out over the next couple of days, because over the last, since March began, we have been doing uploads of about 2 videos a day, which is absolutely insane. But I love when there's information that I want to get out to you. I want to, not hold on to it. I want to make sure that, I can get it out as quickly as I know about it, that you guys should know about it too. But because this is BOXYCHARM, and these are the last 3 boxes that I'm going to be unboxing on my channel, 2 of them are my paid, and then my other account that has the, 2 of them are my premiums, and then 1 base, because I have 2 separate accounts. One of the bases in the account, the other one got turned into a Lux, and that I've already shared with you on my channel. However, the base from the other account arrived, and then the 2 premiums arrived. And normally, a lot of times, like including last month, I literally had almost a completely duplicate box when it came to the premiums, and I shared that with you all the time, that with the premium boxes on BOXYCHARM, for me, it always ended up being good because I was able to choose choices different in each box that more than paid for the box. And then the other items I would put into my gifts for later, which is why we have such a phenomenal giveaway going on the channel right now that I hope everyone that has wanted to enter has entered. And if you haven't, I will leave it in the description box down below, because I know there's a lot of videos that you have to catch up on. But this giveaway video is huge because we hit 5,000 subscribers within the 3.5 years that I have been on this channel. And a lot of it is because I grew because of Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, because as their boxes grew, I continued to purchase all their boxes, and then I was able to share them on the channel. So this is almost a sad weekend for me, simply because the BOXYCHARM world for me is coming to a complete close. Where the positive side is that the best of BOXYCHARM is now going to be available over at Ipsy. So for me, it's like we're everything we know of BOXYCHARM and all those memories are memories now. So we're going to enjoy what Ipsy is going to offer, but I am a big Ipsy girl, so I don't think I'm going to see that much of a change except for the mega drop shop moving over. But in reference to the premium boxes, those are gone. And so that's something I'm going to miss. So I'm going to have the opportunity I opened up everything prior to, and I took a picture for my Instagram. And if you're not following me there, I always share with you that you're missing out, because there's a lot of times now that products and things that don't need a full video, I'm just taking pictures and sharing my information over on Instagram. So please take the time. It's True Wants with the number 2. It's really a great place where we're able to communicate and share a lot of information that doesn't need a video. So that's what I use my Instagram for, and I always share with you when I'm posting here on there, so that if you're scrolling through, you'll see that there's a video waiting for you to watch on YouTube as well. So the box that I'm going to go through, I don't know which order any of these are going to be going up, but I'm telling you there's going to be 2 premiums and 1 base. So starting with the base box is what I'm starting with this video. This is one that we get to choose 1 item, and the 1 item that I chose is from Il Maquillage. And the reason I did this was the choice items that were there were not ones that were, it wasn't a big decision for me to make an either or. This is a product that I've used in the past. It is one that I've enjoyed, and it's one that I've actually repurchased in sales. So to get another one, I figured, okay. So this is a mascara that I will share with you the information on the card and then my thoughts, because I am wearing this mascara today. So this is called their Icon Mascara, and it says, for eyes to bat your way out of a parking ticket, this mascara's weightless lift separates curls and thickens every lash for a serious drama. This is $27, and ironically it says on the card, new brand to Boxy. But as I've shared with you, I'm an Ipsy girl too. So this is a product that I've had the opportunity to use and get again, which is how long it has been on the Ipsy side. So this is such a phenomenal mascara. The reason I say that is usually these spiky mascaras are ones that I don't love as much as a brush wand. But what I like about this one is it really separates every single lash and combs them through. So a lot of times when I use a mascara like this one, I end up using this as my first mascara, and then I will take a brush one and to give it more volume. What I like about this one, and the reason I ended up repurchasing, and now this is going to be another one that I'll have in my stash, or I'll put it into the gifts for later. This one here is one that it combs through all the lashes, and then when you choose to do a second coat or a third coat, you will not get clumping. At least I haven't with this. So I'm the type of girl that likes to sit and really, you know, put mascara on, because I don't use the false eyelashes or anything like that. I really enjoy trying mascaras. So this one, no matter if I do one coat or do 3 or 4 coats, I will get more length and I will get a little bit more volume, but I will get no clumping because it really combs through the lashes. So if you chose this, I think it was a good choice. The next item in here is from Aceology, and this is their hyaluronic acid intensive repair biodegradable masks. They're saying this mega hydrating mask replenishes your skin and renews your complexion. It says, like a splash of water on a hot, dry day, 5 times the hyaluronic acid and aloe vera after instant refreshment, while the centellia extract and the ulmus, another name Davidana root extract, will bind the water to your skin for lasting moisturization and plumpness. There's 4 masks in here, and the retail price on this is $59. Now, I've had the opportunity to use a lot from Aceology, and I really enjoy their masks that even come in the tubes, and I've used them a lot. These would be new to me, so I'm really excited about this. And especially living here in Florida, if we spend any time outside, you just feel completely dehydrated no matter how much you do. So to have a replenishment of a mask that holds on to so much of the hyaluronic acid, I think is absolutely fantastic. The next one in here is from Zoeva, and this is their Coconut Blend Voyager Eyeshadow Palette. It says, create your favorite eyeshadow looks with this travel-sized version, featuring 6 iconic eyeshadows from the full-size palette. From warm truffle tones with notes of delicate hues and shimmering shades, this will be bathed in a rich, full of depth of chocolate. Let the creamy smooth textures melt on your lids and release in matte and shimmers. And then they're saying the nuance of a variety of looks. From natural everyday looks to intense ones, this eyeshadow palette empowers you to be your own unique self. This is a $17 palette. Now it's funny, when the sales started, when BOXYCHARM started those crazy sales that were so loving, and thankfully Ipsy saw that, and they're bringing over the Mega Drop Shop over onto the Ipsy site, because I do well in the shopper, don't get me wrong, and all the flash sales and all that, but the Mega Drop Shop was something really unique. And I never got Zoeva palettes in any of my boxes, but it was available in the drop shop. So I did pick myself up one of these little guys, but the one that I picked up, I think, was more in the burgundy shades, but I'm gonna have to check that one out. But these are absolutely perfect for traveling, and these are the shades that are my go-tos. So we have the all over, you have the transition, and then you can deepen up the outer, and then you can choose based on what you're wearing, what you wanna use as your spot middle, for me anyways, shimmer shade. So I'm really excited about this palette, and it is one like I'll check my stash, because I know I did pick up a few from this brand, and because I didn't know, I never got it, and it was a brand that I was seeing so many great reviews on. So this is gonna be new to me as well from Zoeva. The next one is another one that is going to be new to me. This is from the Give Them Lala. This is her bronzers. And ironically, in the Ipsy add-ons, it was the first time that I maxed out on add-ons, which is absolutely crazy. I ended up spending a lot of money there, like over $100, because I couldn't resist the Pat McGraths and all those. So one of these was actually in my cart, and then I took it out because I was only allowed 10, so I had to remove certain things to be able to get to some of the other items that I wanted on the bottom of the list, which was a kit from Ole Henriksen and the Pat McGrath and things like that. So the fact that this is in my box, it is making me so happy, and it is what I'm wearing on my face today. This is her bronzer, and the shade that I ended up getting was in the one that is called Barbados. So I'm really excited about this because they had some minis, and it was really hard for me to choose between the colors and the shades that they were showing. So the fact that a shade got chosen for me, it just makes my life a lot easier. So it says, and then if I end up loving this, I know that this will be available in the smaller sizes, and I can get different colors in that $3.50 section on Ipsy's add-ons. So this is, like I said, from the brand called Give Them Lala. And then it says, dip your favorite brush into this new bronzer and apply to your face to blur texture. It is perfectly, will help you contour the face and deliver the most beautiful bronze. It's perfect for summer to leave your skin looking natural as well as gorgeous. This is a $26 value. So this is the shade that I got in here. There is a full mirror on the top of this. The only thing about her brand that it's a weird thing to say because I love her formulas that she chooses to use inside, but I find her packaging to feel cheap. And I don't know how to explain it any other way. It feels very plasticky and very inexpensive. And if you're a person, well, now all the scandals on Vanderpump Rules are on every social media, but now it's even hitting mainstream. So if you are not, part of the Vanderpump Rules, she's one of the cast members on there, and she's Lala is the best way for me to explain who she is. She's really very much opinionated and things like that. So the fact that she came out with a line, I was really excited about it, but every component, even her lipstick, I'm having difficulty, but once I get the bullet up, it is the most beautiful color lip that I've ever, enjoyed. However, the packaging of it makes it difficult, so it ends up not being used and loved as much. And I find the same thing with the bronzer. I'm really impressed. It went on beautifully, not patchy at all. Really, really happy with the shade and everything. However, the packaging does not feel luxurious to me. And she saved a little too much on the packaging is what I want to say. So that is this item here. The next item that I have is from another brand that I got introduced to from Ipsy, and it is one that I really have my eyes open to, and I'm excited to get more from this brand. And this brand is called Rina Rebeldi. This is her lip stain, and it's called, everything is in a different language, so it's going to be Spanish, which for me is not one that I've learned. So I apologize if I'm not saying this correctly. It's called Mordida, and this is in the shade that's called Beso, B-E-S-O, Primer Beso. And this one here says it's a Whisper Light Moisturizing Lip Stain, and it's actually what I have on my lips right now. And this took me for a surprise, and this whole brand does. And I'm really, I ended up getting a palette from this brand that has shadows as well as a blush, as well as a highlighter in it. And then I was able to pick up in the add-on something else from her brand because I've really been impressed with everything. And this is going to be another new product to me. And this is a Whisper Light Moisturizing Lip Stain that delivers an easy, just bitten lip flush of color. It is enriched with hyaluronic acid to bind moisture to your lips and blend of botanical extracts. This formula leaves a long-lasting stain that won't feather, it won't feel sticky, or make your lips feel parched. The lip stain has a demi-glaze finish that dries down and is beautifully buildable to achieve your desired color intensity. It is enriched with hyaluronic acid as well as botanical extracts, and it will help with moisturization. And this one here is $16. And this is another one that they're saying is a new brand to Boxy. But like I shared with you, I got introduced to this brand with Ipsy. So this is new to me, this product, but not the brand. And this is the shade in the tube. So when I took this out of the box, I said, worst comes to worst, I'll wear it for the video and then I'll change my lip afterwards. I was really pleasantly surprised. First of all, the first coat of this goes on very light, and you can build it and build it and build it. And it has a cooling sensation, not stinging, cooling when you put it on. And I ended up doing one coat completely, and then even before it dried down, I ended up doing a second coat. So you can build on this when it's dry, and you can build on this when it's wet. But don't be afraid if you get the color that is called BESO, and if it looks too dark, don't worry, it goes on a lot lighter. And there's something really nice about this. I do not feel like I have anything on my lips. It is not drying at all, but I know that I can build on this if I want to put on a lip gloss later, or a lip, stick and then a gloss. This is something that you can almost use as a primer, and it is just gorgeous. So this is really another one that is an absolute winner for me. I'm impressed with this box, but like I said, I've had the opportunity, because I'm taking pictures for my Instagram, that because all the boxes arrived, I was able to open up all three, and all three are completely different. I think I have one repeat product in all of these boxes that is in my premium, and that took me for a loop. But like I said, this was in Ipsy, and then these other brands I knew about because of, Ipsy. But these are all fantastic brands and products. So the Il Maquillage is an absolute win. Getting 4 Aceology masks, an absolute win. This beautiful palette from Zoeva, the Gimme Lala bronzer in Barbados, which ended up being a gorgeous color for me, as well as this lip product from the Rina Rebeldi. I am really impressed. Please share in the comments down below how you're feeling about this being the last of. But with the base box, I don't think we have to worry too much, because like I said, 2 of these were new to Boxy, but they are coming from the Ipsy world. So don't forget that the base box is just going over to Ipsy, and they're changing the Ipsy Plus to an Ipsy, they're changing the name from Ipsy Plus to BOXYCHARM. And the BOXYCHARM base is the same as going over there. The only benefit that we're going to get is it's all going to be under the Ipsy website, and you will get to choose 3 items in the box where they're going to give you. So if you're an Ipsy Plus girl like I am, we know how it all works, and we love having the options within those 3 lines to choose 3 products. Plus, Ipsy chooses 2 for you, and you will know everything that is going to be in your box. So then when you're going into the add-on sale right afterwards, you will be able to fill your box with add-ons, which is what I do. And it makes it a little bit easier than how we were getting it with BOXYCHARM. With BOXYCHARM, they were always like a mystery box. I only knew what my choice item was going to be. So I had to wait on the sales till my boxes arrived so that I wouldn't end up with duplicate items. And so for me, I think that's even better over at the Ipsy world that we're all going to be able to enjoy. So don't worry if you get the base box, that is still going to be a base box, but it's just going to be over at Ipsy. And then with that Ipsy Plus name will change to BOXYCHARM by Ipsy. So this box, I know we're still going to get all the benefits of everything that we like, 5 full sizes with those added benefits, where we're going to get to choose 3 and know everything that is going to be in the box on the 2nd of the month is when you will have your choice. All right, that's it for this box. Like I said, I'm going to try to film as much as I can today so that I can have everything be able to be uploaded over the next couple of days. I don't know which one is first, but you will be seeing this base as well as 2 premium boxes on my channel really soon. All right, take care everybody, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.